collab coming, dog. I ain't see this coming. Bruh, one of my favorite new niggas versus one of my favorite niggas. Boy, I already know this about to be fire. Two great artists, man. I've been waiting to hear something new from Gunna. Cause I feel like Gunna working on something. He about to drop something crazy. That's what I feel like. Hurricane Wisdom, y'all know he on the come up. But bro, he don't give me that new up and coming artist like flavor. He don't give me them vibes. This man be moving around like he a seasoned vet, nigga. So we finna check out this feature right here. I don't even think it's a feature. It's just a song they did together. You know where it's going. Let's get it, man. Turn me up.
Gentle beat.
Everybody, see your body from here is you short. I've been shopping the G-body. Gotta know there ain't nothing to floor. Down with our panties, the foul on the floor. I done turned the bitch to a whore.
Oh, we like, oh, hold up. Nigga, hold up. JoJo, I love you. Hold up, bruh. Go back.
Everybody, see your body from here is you short. I've been shopping the G-body. Gotta know there ain't nothing to floor. Down with our panties, the foul on the floor. I done turned the bitch to a whore. Came home and it looked like a star. Cross me, but you know it's going. Tryna speed with her head on the horn. In the face, bitch, where you going? Tryna tell you I'm one of the ones.
Hold on, y'all hear the flow? For the flow. Hold on. That's a catchy ass flow, Hurricane. Hold on. Right now, I already know. If Hurricane coming like that, imagine what Gunna finna sound like. And man, we probably about to get drip season Gunna on this. Based off the flow already.
Everybody, see your body from here is you short. I've been shopping the G-body. Gotta know there ain't nothing to floor. Down with our panties, the foul on the floor. I done turned the bitch to a whore. Came home and it looked like a star. Cross me, but you know it's going. Tryna speed with her head on the horn. In the face, bitch, where you going? Tryna tell you I'm one of the ones. Say please and give me one. Now you said lean, I ain't feeling the more. She won't love, I ain't giving her none. No dog, I ain't getting no ones. Cross me, but you know it's going. You gon' look like it and get rich out it. I need some cash, I'ma see about it.
Hold on.
Now we can pull out the big body.
Hold on.
10 out of 10, I know she going.
Hey, what I tell you? What I tell you? Did I just say that? Y'all heard how he came on that month? Man, that drip season Gunna, dog. That drip season Gunna, man. Hold on. That little fast, little choppy flow, hold up.
No dog, I ain't getting no ones. Cross me, but you know it's going. You gon' look like it and get rich out it. I need some cash, I'ma see about it. Now we can pull out the big body. 10 out of 10, I know she going. Pussy get wet, I know she moist. She know I'm a vet, I shit on them boys. I jump in that lamp, I put it in sport. They take out a belt, they making no noise. Ran up a jet, I want me a jet. I'm deep in her neck, her head is the best. I told them we good, we don't gotta stress. I wish that you would go set up a less. I got this shit.
No. Nah, dog. Hey, if you a real Gunna fan, I love this right here, Wonder. I love this right here, Gunna. Yo, hold up. Let me do my video, baby. Kyrie trying to get in here. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Bro, I don't know why this got me cheesing like this, bro. I feel like everything about to go back to normal. Like, am I the only one feel like it's a bunch of weird stuff going on? I don't quite know what it is, bro. But there's some weird stuff going on in the world, man. Something ain't right, man. Something don't feel right. But this right here feel right here.
Ain't giving a none. No dog, I ain't getting no ones. Cross me, but you know it's going. You gon' look like it and get rich out it. I need some cash, I'ma see about it. Now we can pull out the big body. 10 out of 10, I know she going. The pussy get wet, I know she moist. She know I'm a vet, I shit on them boys. I jump in that lamp, I put it in sport. They take it up, they making no noise. Ran up a check, I want me a jet. I'm deep in her neck, Her head is the best. I told her we good, we don't gotta stress. I wish that you would go set up a less. I kept this shit going, we work till the morning. I keep this shit going, ain't stopping the press. I'm chasing the hood, I'm up to the sun. I shop in my line, I'm having the thread. We got the shit on.
Bro, this nigga, bro, I'm telling you, this nigga ain't miss a beat. This nigga ain't miss a beat. All that talk that was going on around Gunna name, bro, it's like that needed to happen, bro. I feel like that needed to happen for niggas to finally get Gunna his flowers, bro. Cause now we really see who really had this rough stuff going on. If you know what I'm saying. Think about it. Everybody Gunna was associated with, they music don't hit the same no more. Meanwhile, Gunna thriving. Changed his whole image. That nigga was just cover Men's Fitness magazine. I forgot what it's called. But nigga changed his whole image. Rap's getting better. He still got the same sound. Like he sound exactly the same. It's even more polished now. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro. Gunna needed all that to happen.
Going ain't stopping the press. I'm chasing the hood, I'm up to the sun. I shop in my line, I'm having the threads. One got the shit on him. You the one they depend on him. Gonna one of the winner the bread. You the one thinking years ahead.
Yeah.
You the one with the spill. Take the bit back to the crib, I'm breaking the bed. Show your hoe how to live. Stack the shit high as the hills. Fuck what they said. We body. See you body for me as you short.
Yeah.
I be shopping the G-body. Got it know ain't nothing to floor. Damn it up, panties that fell on the floor. I done turned the bitch to a whore. Came home and it looked like a star. Cross me, but you know it's going. Tryna speed with her head on the horn.
Yeah.
In the face, bitch, where you going?
Yeah.
Tryna tell you I'm one of the ones.
Yeah.
Say please and give me one.
Man,
She
that's
ain't
hard.
feeling boy. She want
Hey, that's hard, Hurricane. Boy, that hard, boy. Man, this nigga remind me of somebody, bro. This nigga remind me of somebody. I don't know who this nigga remind me of. He remind me of somebody. It's somebody great. Man, I love to see these young niggas coming up, bro.
Tryna tell you I'm one of the ones. Say please and give me one. I simply ain't feeling the boy. She won't love, I ain't giving her none. New dog, I ain't getting no ones. Cross me, but you know it's going. Cross me, but you know it's going. OT, I don't know I'm going. Court side, I ain't going to court. Trade for I be rollin' for sport. Nigga died, I went on the tour. See, I'm the reason he be on this tour. Got the reason ain't nothing in the store. Green face, bro, all this shit on no boys. New frame, you all this shit on no boys. Ain't nothing to shit on. Couple hills we sit on. She in Miami, you know where she going. Don't gotta ask, know that she going.
Miami.
Got cash, know
Hey, she in Miami. You know that she going, nigga. She in Skyami. She in that Yami. Bro, your girl going on a girl's trip to Miami, get a new hoe. Straight like that, nigga. Your girl going on a girl's trip, solo dolo. She ain't yours no more, nigga. Hey, just know that. Just know I told y'all niggas. If y'all let y'all girls go to Miami on a girl's trip or whatever they try to call it, and you ain't there, give it up. That ain't your girl. Move on, twin.
Don't gotta ask, know that she going. Got cash, know that she horn.
Yeah.
Can't hold a bitch do porn. If she body, you know where it's going. We body, see you body for me as you short. I be shopping the G-body. Got it know ain't nothing to floor. Damn it up, panties that fell on the floor. I done turned the bitch to a whore. Came home and it looked like a star. Cross me, but you know it's going. Tryna speed with her head on the horn. In the face, bitch, where you going? Tryna tell you I'm one of the ones. Say please and give me one. I simply ain't feeling the boy. She won't love, I ain't giving her none. New dog, I ain't getting no ones. Cross me, but you know it's going.
Boy, hey. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like niggas sleeping on this, dog. I feel like niggas sleeping on this song, boy. This hard. Boy, this hard, boy. This hard. Look at the old school rivalry, man. Ooh, woo. If you know, you know. Nah, I never knew I needed this collab. I ain't gonna lie. I never realized like how much likeness these niggas had with their flows. Like they both got unique flows. But it mixed, bro. These niggas' chemistry is off the charts. Let me find out we gotta get a tape for these two, man. Shout out Hurricane Wilson, man, Gunna, man. Y'all both went crazy on that right now. Golly, that's hard. Y'all let me know what y'all thought, man. I'll go, bro.